Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 2022 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter the languages. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English, so let's change it. Let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick, for example, this one. Just tap on it. And basically, of course, it depends on the language, but sometimes you will be able to pick the region. So just tap on the one you'd like to use. And here it has been immediately applied to this list, but the English language is still a main one. So in order to actually change the languages, you have to tap on the one you'd like to use and hold it. And now, as you can see, you can move it. So let's drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, within a second, the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. So basically, this is how to add new language, how to change the language. But if you'd like to remove the languages from this list, for example, you don't need them anymore or whatever, just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now let's mark the language you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your Motorola Razr 2022. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.